It's Friday the 30th of August 2019. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. D23 news super fast. Disneyland new parade, magic happens. California Adventure Avengers campus, Spider-Man ride and Pym Test Kitchen phase 1. Quinjet ride to Wakanda phase 2. Hong Kong Frozen Land, Frozen Ever After clone and Wandering Oaken sliding Sleighs roller coaster. Disney Springs new Cirque du Soleil show. Epcot is splitting Future World into World Celebration, World Discovery and World Nature. Spaceship Earth is going to get a refurb. Cosmic Rewind is the name of the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. Space 2020 the name of the Space Restaurant. Dreamer's Point and statue of Walt to be added. Harmonius the new permanent replacement for Illuminations. UK Pavilion to add Cherry Tree Lane and new Mary Poppins Attraction. At Hollywood Studios the Galactic Starcruiser experience will be aboard a spaceship Halycon. There'll be a new Disney World app called Disney Genie. Outside of D23, Galaxy's Edge officially opened to the public. New Six Flags Park for Saudi Arabia announced the tallest, fastest roller coaster in the world, Falcon's Flight. Six Flags Great Adventure getting a new single rail coaster, which will be the world's tallest, fastest. Duh. That's it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section down below. We'll be back on Sunday with some kind of a YouTube video, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at themeparknut or our blog at themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.